The best me that I can be, respect. My name is Keegan, and I want to be the best me that I can be. I'm learning about respect. What does that mean? Well, it's like this. My family are super cool and take care of me. I love them lots. My teacher at school is awesome. She helps me learn. I think my friends are so much fun. We play and laugh together. My family, teacher, and friends are all very special to me. It is because they are special, I want to show them the very best me that I can be. This is showing respect. I meet people every day. Some people are nice and kind and help me. When I smile at them, they always smile back. I try to be polite to them to show them I am a nice person too. This is showing respect for nice, kind, and helpful people. I love to play with my friends. Sometimes we play together at the park and fly my jazzy color long tail kite. We run as fast as the wind to make it fly. I wait until each of my friends have had a turn until I take my turn. This is how I show respect to my friends. I love going to school. My teacher is Miss Holly, and she is really smart. When Miss Holly starts to talk, I know that we should all be quiet and listen to what she is teaching us. This is how we learn lots of things. This is also how we show respect to Miss Holly for helping us learn. I am a better me when I listen and learn. I was going to use some of Mommy's long, pretty, fancy dresses for a backyard tent. I was going to be super cool. Mommy did not think using her dresses would be that cool. Ask first if you want to take something that doesn't belong to you. Taking without asking is not showing respect for Mommy. I had worked hard to plan my super cool tent. Mommy let me use some colorful blankets instead of her dresses to make it. It was the best tent ever, and my friends and I had so much fun playing in it. I even made us a super yummy picnic lunch to eat. I promised Mommy that I would give her back the blankets when we were done playing with them. To be the best me that I can be, I always try to keep my promises. Keeping promises is also showing respect. One big thing I am learning is that I should always listen to what Mommy tells me, like to ask first. I know that everyone makes mistakes. I know when I have done something wrong, it is best to go tell Mommy. She will know what to do. I told Mommy I made a big mistake. For my super yummy picnic lunch, I took a cupcake that was in the fridge. It was so yummy good. I did not know this was a special cupcake my sister Aislinn bought with money she saved up for a long time. I did not ask first. Now Aislinn is crying and really sad. I know saying sorry when you have done something wrong is showing respect, but this is a really big wrong. I didn't mean to make Aislinn cry and be sad. I was wrong because I didn't ask first if I could eat the so yummy good cupcake. Mommy hugged me and asked, "Is there something you can do to make your wrong a right? Maybe you could replace her cupcake. Can you think of a way you can do that?" I made a plan to make right what I had done wrong. It would have been easy to tell Aislinn that I never even saw her so yummy good cupcake and that I never ate it. But that would not be honest or nice. That would be lying. That would not be showing respect to Aislinn. I would also not be showing respect for me. I try to always do things right and be the best me that I can be. This is called having self-respect. I should not do things that I know are wrong, like lying. I have respect for me, too. I'm learning that respect is big. I can show respect to nice, kind, and very helpful people by using my very best manners. I say hello, goodbye, please, and thank you. Respect is not just what I say, but also what I do. I know that if someone is speaking to me, it is polite if I look at them and listen to what they are saying. It's like listening to mommy when she says to ask first before taking something so yummy good or pretty fancy, even if I have a super cool plan. This is showing respect and being the best me that I can be. What do I know about respect? I know that I should respect my family and friends and my teacher and the nice, kind, and helpful people I meet. I know that respect is how I can show them just how awesome and special I think they are. Best of all, by showing respect to them means they will show respect to me too. This makes me very proud and helps me to be the very best me that I can be.